Assalamu alaikum students. This is your teacher Rizwan Ali Pandit. Today let us discuss cytoplasm. साइटोप्लाज्म हम इससे पहले हमने डिस्कस किया था सेल वॉल एंड प्लाज्मा मेम्ब्रेन. This cytoplasm is the fluid and semi-fluid matrix of a cell between the nucleus and the plasma membrane. It contains various cell organelles. So we can say the fluid and semi-fluid matrix between nucleus and plasma membrane. It contains various cell organelles. For the mitochondria, chloroplast, Golgi apparatus, endoplasmic reticulum, etc. This cytoplasm, as you know, it is semi-fluid, jelly-like material. It consists of its composition. अगर हम इसकी composition देखेंगे, इसमें क्या होता है? Composition. नंबर फर्स्ट है, इसमें होता है साइटोसॉल. नंबर सेकंड इज दिस सेल ऑर्गेनेलीज. And number third, cell inclusions. Cytosol, it is liquid part of cytoplasm. This is fluid part of liquid or fluid part of cytoplasm. It is nearly transparent. This cytosol is also called cytoplasmic matrix. It is also called cytoplasmic matrix, or we can say hyaloplasm. It contains about 90% of water, various cell organelles and inclusions in it. Cytosol also contains ions and biomolecules such as minerals, sugars, amino acids, nucleotides, enzymes, vitamins, dissolved gases, etc. The cytosol contains waste material too. All these materials may be present either as inclusions, solutions, or colloids. What is the function of this? Cytoplasm. Cytoplasm or this cytosol, it has various functions. Number one, it is the seat of metabolic process of cell. Seat of metabolic processes. Number second, it is a storehouse. It is a storehouse for raw materials. It is the storehouse for the raw materials needed for metabolism. Metabolism means all the reactions which takes place in a living body. Number third, it distributes the nutrients in the cell. Fourth function, it brings about exchange of materials between the cell organelles. It brings about exchange of materials. Number fifth is streaming of cytoplasmic matrix, which we called cyclosis, serves many functions in the cell. This is streaming of this cytoplasmic matrix or cytoplasmic matrix, or we can say cytosol, serves many functions. Next topic is nucleus. As you all know, this nucleus was discovered by Robert Brown. It was discovered by Robert Brown. This nucleus, the nucleus is the most important, and we can say it is the largest organelle of eukaryotic cells. This nucleus, it is absent in prokaryotes. Prokaryotes do not have well developed nucleus with a nuclear envelope. They have nucleoid. Prokaryotes have a nucleoid which is without membrane, which is highly folded DNA molecule without nucleoid. What is nucleoid? Nucleoid is highly folded DNA. DNA means deoxyribonucleic acid. DNA molecule without a membrane. Chemically, this nucleus, it is composed of about 80% proteins, 12% DNA, deoxyribonucleic acid, 5% RNA, ribonucleic acid, and 3% lipids, फैट्स बोलते हैं. अगर हम इसकी स्ट्रक्चर की बात करते हैं, स्ट्रक्चर ऑफ न्यूक्लियस, व्हाट इज द स्ट्रक्चर ऑफ न्यूक्लियस? दिस न्यूक्लियस, it is made up of, number first, nuclear envelope या nuclear membrane. Number second is nuclear sap. Number third is chromatin material. Number fourth is nucleolus. And number fifth is nuclear matrix. अगर हम इसकी डायग्राम देखें, यह है इसकी डायग्राम, न्यूक्लियस की डायग्राम. ये इसके सराउंडिंग में जो है, इर्द गिर्द इसके, इसको बोलते हैं न्यूक्लियर मेम्ब्रेन. इसको बोलते हैं न्यूक्लियर मेम्ब्रेन. इन न्यूक्लियस इट इज डबल मेम्ब्रेन, आउटर मेम्ब्रेन एंड इनर मेम्ब्रेन. इसको बोलते हैं न्यूक्लियर एनवलप, आउटर मेम्ब्रेन, इनर मेम्ब्रेन. बीच में होते हैं स्पेस, इसको बोलते हैं पेरी न्यूक्लियर स्पेस. और यहाँ होते हैं स्मॉल पोर्स लाइक स्ट्रक्चर्स, दे आर कॉल्ड न्यूक्लियर पोर्स. this is ribosomes, which is attached to the outer membrane of this nuclear membrane. This is nucleolus. This is nucleus. This is chromatin material, DNA genetic material. This is nucleoplasm. This is nucleoplasm. और क्या है इसमें? Nucleoplasm. Nuclear membrane या nuclear envelope. It is bounded by two nuclear membranes. Termed as outer nuclear nuclear membrane. Outer membrane, inner membrane. Outer membrane बाहर का, inner membrane अंदर का. These enclosed a fluid-filled space called intermembrane space or perinuclear space. Each membrane resembles the cell membrane in structure. The nuclear envelope separates the nucleus content from cytoplasm. From cytoplasm, it is perforated by numerous minute pores called nuclear pores for the movement of material and in and out of the nucleus. This outer membrane, it bears ribosomes. These are ribosomes. Ribosomes on the cytoplasmic side of, and at places it is connected with the endoplasmic reticulum. The inner membrane is, however, smooth. Next is nuclear sap. This nuclear sap, nucleoplasm. It is clear, non-staining. It's clear, non-staining, present in the nucleus. This chromatin material, chromatin contains DNA. अब हम इसकी function देखते हैं. What are the functions of this nucleus? Number first, it controls all the metabolic activities of the cell. Controls all metabolic activities. Number second, it brings about growth of cells. It brings about growth of cells by directing the synthesis of structural proteins. Number third, it takes part in the formation of ribosomes. Number fourth is it regulates cell cycle. And number fifth is it contains genetic material or genetic information in the form of genes located in the chromosomes and is concerned with the transmission of hereditary traits from one generation to next generation. This is all about nucleus and cytoplasm. Thank you. Goodbye.